Welcome everyone to the Stark Soil and Water YouTube channel. My name is Adrienne Bach and I'm the Outreach Technician with the district. Thank you for joining us for part 3 of our green cleaning video series. This is one of our instructional videos. This recipe will cover an all-purpose cleaner. We also have 2 other videos that cover how to make a window cleaner as well as a dry carpet shampoo. And then we have a longer video which is a classroom portion which covers green cleaning and then the many benefits and advantages and why green cleaning is a great practice to incorporate into your home. So for this recipe, which is courtesy of the University of Tennessee Extension Institute of Agriculture, you need 2 tablespoons of borax, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and then 2 cups of warm distilled water. So important steps to remember. Step 1, always wear gloves to keep any cleaning chemicals off of your skin to avoid irritation. Step 2 is to always make sure that you label the bottle so you know exactly what product is in the bottle, and then you want to make sure that you have the ingredients on there as well and the date that it was created so you know how long the product has been sitting on the shelf and how long it is good for. So in order to mix this recipe, you also want a designated bowl and a designated spoon as well as a designated funnel. This way you're avoiding cross-contamination with your food prep utensils. So this is a simple recipe. You just take your 2 tablespoons of borax, add your 1/4 cup of vinegar, and then your 2 cups of warm distilled water. And it's important that the water is warm so that the borax is able to dissolve easily. So you just want to mix it until it is homogeneous and one color. Once you've got your bottle all filled up and ready to go, you can use your green cleaning product, which is your all-purpose cleaner, on any hard surface, such as your tabletop or countertop in your kitchen or the tile in your bathroom. You just want to make sure that you test it on a small area first to make sure that it's not going to damage the finish of the product or discolor the hard surface in some way. So just be cautious as you use it, but this is a green cleaning product that is great to use on a variety of surfaces. So thank you all for joining us today, and we hope that you all have a safe and happy 2023.